Now, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the regulation of cardiac activity. So, in previous video lecture, we have discussed about the different kind of cardiac activity, that is contraction and relaxation, main function. So, we will discuss different center in our body which regulate the cardiac activity, and we have know about the different kind of regulation center, types of regulation center in our body. We have discussed in we will also discuss in the upcoming chapter, that is control and coordination. So in our body there are two kind of regulation or control system. The first is neural system and second is the hormonal system. But except these neural and hormonal system, cardiac activity also regulated by itself or by the special muscular tissue present in the wall of heart. So we will also discuss about that kind of tissue, and in previous video lecture we have also discussed about the nodal tissue. So we can categorize the regulation of cardiac activity in two categories. So first let us write our topic, that is regulation of cardiac activity. So the cardiac activity may be categorized into two categories. The first is normal activity. So normal activity involve the normal contraction, or we can say that normal systole and diastole. If the heart do systole and diastole or contraction and relaxation respectively in normal way, so this will be including the normal activity. And the second category, second group of activity involve special activity. So a special activity of the heart or the muscles of heart involve at a special time. Normal activity at normal time, it means if our body exists in normal condition, so in that condition the working of heart, it will be saying that normal activity of the heart. While during the special situation or when our body not in normal condition, so that condition is known as special, and on that time the activity of heart considered as special activity. So special activity or during special activity, so the systole and diastole occur abnormally. So abnormal special activity involve the abnormal systole and diastole. So abnormal means, the meaning of abnormal, that the increase of contraction and relaxation or increasing of systole and diastole, and then a number of systole and diastole, and or in other word or on other hand the decrease of systole and diastole from normal systole and diastole. It is the condition of abnormal systole and diastole. So, which center in our body, which regulation center in our body regulate this normal activity as well as special activity of the heart or cardiac? So, we will discuss in this video lecture. Now, first of all, for the normal activity. So, normal activity of the heart, it is regulated by itself. It means auto-regulation. It is called auto-regulation, or we can say that auto-excitation, or it is also known as intrinsic regulation. It means the normal systole and diastole or normal activity of heart is regulated itself, or it means the regulation by the muscles of heart itself. Means for that purpose there is no any external factor responsible to regulate the normal systole and diastole. So what are the things inside the heart which is responsible for auto-regulation, auto-excitation or intrinsic regulation? So that is the nodal tissue. We have discussed about nodal tissue in previous video lecture, and that nodal tissue consists of SA node, AV node, AV bundle, and the fourth one is Purkinje fiber. So these together make the nodal tissue, and nodal tissue is the tissue responsible for auto-excitation or auto-regulation of the cardiac activity. And that regulation of or auto-regulation is in the form of normal systole and diastole. It means when our body exists in normal situation. It means there is no any mind or no any changes in our environment affect our body. So in that case, our body or our heart working in normal condition. It means normal systole and diastole will take place, and for that purpose nodal tissue regulate that systole and diastole, which we have discussed that normally the heartbeat rate, normal heartbeat rate is normal heartbeat rate of the human body is about 72 times per minute. So what is the meaning of this normal heartbeat rate? It means in a minute, if the heart beat 72 times in a minute, so that is the condition of normal systole and diastole. And if this rate of heartbeat becomes increased or becomes decreased, so that will be the condition of abnormal systole and diastole, or it is considered as special activity or a special case. So now we will proceed towards the special activity of the heart, how regulated or which factor or which component of our body regulate this special activity. So the special activity regulated with the help of two systems. The first is neural system or neural regulation, and the second we will discuss about hormonal regulation, hormonal system or regulation. So neural system for regulation of special activity and hormonal system for regulation of special activity. So we will discuss two types of system for special activity. So we have discussed let us first discuss about the neural system. So for neural system in our brain, the brain consists of medulla part, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata brain carry the center for, it consists of center for regulation of cardiac activity. So how this cardiac activity or special cardiac activity, we can say that special cardiac activity, special cardiac activity regulated, how regulated by neural system. So for that purpose, the medulla oblongata of the brain consists the center for regulation of cardiac activity. So how this cardiac activity regulated by medulla oblongata? So for that purpose, medulla oblongata use the type of nervous system of our body which is known as, with the help of ANS, autonomic nervous system. And autonomic nervous system consists of two types of nervous tissue. The first is sympathetic nervous tissue or sympathetic nerves. Autonomic nervous system consists of two types of nerves, sympathetic nerves, and the second one is parasympathetic nerves. So sympathetic nerves receive information from medulla part of the brain for to increase the heart beat rate. Sympathetic nerves receive information from medulla to increase heartbeat rate, while parasympathetic receive information to decrease heartbeat rate. So increase of heartbeat rate leads to the increase of cardiac output. While decrease of heartbeat rate leads to the decrease of cardiac output. So we have earlier discussed about the cardiac output. What is the cardiac output? It is mainly measured to explain or to find out the strength or stamina of a person. If a more cardiac output, then the person with more stamina, or on other hand, if less cardiac output, the person with less stamina. So during special situation, our brain sends signal from medulla part of the from its medulla part with the help of ANS, which consists of sympathetic nerve and parasympathetic. So sympathetic nerve send information to our heart muscle or cardiac muscle to increase the heartbeat rate, and due to the increase of heartbeat rate, our cardiac output becomes increased. On the other hand, to make that cardiac output or to let back the increasing condition in a normal condition. Parasympathetic nerves send information to the cardiac muscle to decrease the heartbeat rate in normal situation, and which also leads to the decrease of cardiac output. So these are the different parts which involve in the regulation of the special activity of the heart by neural system. Now we will discuss also about the hormonal system. So hormonal system involve the medullary hormone. So for the hormonal regulation, the hormones released from the adrenal part of the adrenal gland, and adrenal gland involve two types of hormone. The first is adrenaline, which is also known as adrenaline or epinephrine, while the second is known as noradrenaline, or norepinephrine. So these two hormones together responsible for the special activity of the heart, that means the increased increased heartbeat or decreased heartbeat from the normal heartbeat rate. So from these two hormones, adrenaline or epinephrine hormone is responsible to increase the cardiac output, while noradrenaline or norepinephrine responsible to came back to make the cardiac output becomes normal from the increased situation. So this is all about the regulation of cardiac activity by the help of three systems. The first is by the help of auto-regulated system, which is the neural tissue. Second, with the help of neural system, and third with the help of hormonal system. So neural system and hormonal system is responsible for special activity of the heart, while neural tissue regulate the normal activity of the